Hey, what is going on, y'all? In today's video, I'm going to be going over the top 4 touring bike accessories that not only work for a 2021 Street Glide Special like this one, but also works for the 2024s. I've done a little bit of research and I wanted to pass on some information and knowledge for people like me who are going to be looking at getting the newer body style, the newer model, and what things will convert over. So I'm really passionate about it. I think 2025, 2026 is gonna be when I buy one of the new model bikes just to let all the kinks and everything get worked out. But knowing what I can save money on and passing that on to you is gonna be huge, I think, for everyone overall. Let's go ahead and get into it. Starting at the back of the bike, the mounting bracket for the accessories is still gonna be the same for the 2024s. I did the research, I checked HD's website. You can still use all of your mounting bracket accessories with that. And so for me, I had this Advon Black Tour Pack in my Gauntlet Gray color, and it's been great for me. The thumbnail for this video shows where I was in Tennessee and I had took the Tour Pack and had a bag on the back and the whole 9 yards. So this is an absolute must-have for people that travel, or at least for me anyway, because I like to bring a lot of junk. That's not fair. I'm not gonna say junk. I like to bring a lot of stuff to make sure that I have what I need on the road and I'm not caught off guard by something. Emergency equipment, proper clothes, rain gear, all that other kind of stuff. You'll be able to carry over any of your accessories from your prior model years to the 2024s, and that's a huge win. The next accessory I want to talk about is the RAM mount phone mount. And I'm gonna get you some B-roll footage in here to get a little bit closer in here to see how this thing works. But I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max and it fits in here absolutely perfectly. As you can see, it expands to match your phone. This is the XL version. It was $80 as the time of this recording. I'll put a link down in the description. But it adjusts to various types of phones. You name it across the board. There's a list there on the website that'll tell you how many phones this actually fits. But this has been a huge win for me. I know in the 2024s, they have the drawers and they have the bigger cubbies and all that other kind of stuff. I personally prefer to see my phone, and even if I bought a 2024, I would put this on the bars just to make sure I can see my phone. To me, that is a must-have. So anyway, the only problem I ran into with this particular accessory is these little retainers, I'll call them, they broke off after a little bit of wear. And so when I wrote RAM mount, they actually sent me some out. They didn't even charge me, which I thought was really cool. And they sent me plenty. They sent me hardware. They sent the little retainers, and everything was good to go. So again, this is one of the top 4 must-haves that carry over from the previous models. So rounding out this video is the best accessory that I've purchased since I've had this 2021 Street Glide Special. It's gonna be the Ciro 3D frame-mounted highway pegs. I bought these back when I very first got the bike, and I have not regretted this purchase whatsoever. And the reason why is these are adjustable at 3 different points. So 1, 2, and then 3 with the foot peg ending right there. And what it does is it has teeth for you to be able to adjust it and then torque the bolt down to make sure that it's in the position that you want it to be in. So what I will tell you is there's an extended version and a standard version in terms of length of the hardware. And so I bought the extended version because I'm a little bit deep in the seat and I prefer to be able to stretch out a little bit more. So I have an extended reach saddleman seat, and I also have the extended reach highway pegs. And so these are available for 2014 to 2022s, or actually 2023s, and then also available for 2023s and 2024s with the new refresh of the body styles and everything else. And so because I'm gonna wait to purchase a new style Harley, probably the 2024, 2025, I wanna be able to carry these over because they obviously mount to the same frame, and based on Ciro's website, there's nothing that would keep them from mounting on your bike. So I advise you to seriously consider these. These are around $249, $299, depending on where you purchase them from. I purchased mine from Psycho Gear and it was worth every dime. So this is my top recommendation when it comes to accessories that are carryover from the previous model year to the 2023s and the 2024s. Check them out. I want to thank you for watching this video. about the carryover accessories that I find to be in the top 3 for the 2023s and 2024s. And remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace.